guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sherry. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on this video today. I'm back with a new video, and today I wanted to try out the Stitch Fix subscription box. So if you don't know what Stitch Fix is, it's basically a curated, styled box of clothing, jewelry, shoes that a stylist can either pick out for you, or you can also pick out your own styles. There's a lot of flexibility. There's no commitments with this subscription. You can cancel at any time. You can also have when your subscription comes, so it could be like weekly, monthly, every few months. So it's totally up to you, and there's just no commitment. Like, you can cancel it at any time. You can keep what you want, and you send back what you don't want. So basically there's like a $20 styling fee, but that $20 goes towards anything that you purchase from the box. Otherwise, if you don't purchase anything, then all you spent was a $20 styling fee. So you know, that's where like they make their money. If you don't purchase anything, they give you a labeled bag to send the stuff you don't keep back to them. So it's a pretty cool idea. I like the fact that it styles things for me. So you take a little quiz. And by the way, this is not sponsored at all. I just wanted to try this because if you're like me, I'm at an age now where shopping has become such a chore, unfortunately. Like, I used to love shopping. Now it's like one of my least favorite activities, just because in stores I feel like I'm so overwhelmed. It's such a draining environment. I never find what I'm actually looking for. Then I have to try things on because I'm like, I don't know, my sizes are like different in every store, and some things just, you know, don't look as good on me as I wanted them to. And then also online shopping, there's just such a vast amount, and then you can't try things on, and you take a risk of getting something doesn't fit, you have to send it back or get an exchange. It's just very stressful. Also, I just don't really know my style anymore, so I kind of like the fact that someone can pick stuff out for me. I can try it on. If I like it, I keep it. If I don't, I can let them know, and they can kind of like take it from there. So love everything about this. I'm going to show you everything in the box, but I'm also going to show you clips of me trying this stuff on as well, so you get to see everything on what it looks like. So we're just gonna get right into it, and it looks like this is Fix Freestyle. Let's see. It looks like just a bunch of different like outfit options, how to style them and whatnot. So, and then I've got like a bunch of clothes here wrapped up, and it looks like there's something in this bag as well. And that is it. It looks like there's like some fall styles here. We got some sweaters. So first things first, we have this chunky sweater, really soft. It's like an olive green color. Yeah, it's like a nice, warm, comfy, also cropped sweater. I actually really like it a lot. So this is a size small. This is the Audrey cropped button front cardigan, and the color olive. So really nice. I really like that. The cost of this is $46. So a little pricey. I feel like I could find the same thing for like half the price. But it is really good quality. It is really soft. And I am about like investing more in items that are going to last longer and be better quality. So like that. Next we have this cute little top. This kind of looks similar to a top I already have, unfortunately. It's like the same colors and patterns, so I don't think for that reason I'm going to keep this. But it's like a work blouse. It's pretty long. It looks like it would accompany or accommodate a bump really well since I'm still pregnant. And this is $38, so not too bad. Kind of something you would find at like a department store. It has a good material, feels like really nice quality. I like the ruffly sleeves. So really nice. Unfortunately, that's the thing. Like, I feel like I just already own something in this color and pattern already. So since I already have something like it, I might not buy it for that reason. So it looks like we have something maternity related. Looks like it's a nursing tank top, which I don't think I'm going to invest in because, I mean, I could probably find cheaper stuff for maternity. This is for breastfeeding, so it's postpartum. So this is the Hannah Maternity Nursing Tank. $36, so feels like it's really nice quality, stretchy, really soft. The straps are durable, they're adjustable, you can unclip them. So yeah, I'm sure it's really nice. It's just a little bit pricey for my liking. It unsnaps, and then you can just snap it back on. I feel like that's how they work. Yeah. So yeah, I think I'll consider it, but I'm not a big tank top wearer anyway, so not really my style anymore. Next we have a maternity dress. It's really cute. It's like this scrunched plain black dress. So I'll definitely try this on. It's like a ribbed material. Really good quality. You'll obviously see in the try on portion like how long it is, but yeah, I think this is cute. Not sure if I'm completely sold on it. Let's see how much this costs. I feel like it might be a more expensive one. $58. Like, Stitch Fix seems like it's very expensive. And like, I get it, it's just like good quality stuff, but like for this, I feel like I can get from Target or like TJ Maxx for like way cheaper. Especially when it's like maternity, like you're not gonna wear this stuff forever, so. And I'm assuming there's a pair of shoes in here. Oh my goodness, okay. These are cool, like these are nice. I'm going to have to try these on because in my pregnancy, my feet actually swelled and like grew a half size or two, which is crazy. So I'm gonna have to try these on and see how they look. But I really like these. I'm guessing these are the most expensive one. Yes, they are $74. So if I got this, my $20 would apply towards it, which is not as bad. I don't have a beige boot at all, and this is really cute and stylish, trendy. Love everything about this boot. Can't wait to try it on. You'll see it on. But yeah. So overall, it seemed like I liked a couple of things over the majority of what they sent me. Honestly, it's just based on like price, and it was kind of like blah. Like there's nothing really like, oh wow, like look at this, oh my gosh, like it's just kind of like bland. I don't know. I kind of like more cute pieces in my wardrobe. So I'm going to have to, you know, give my feedback and stuff. But yeah, it just seemed a little plain. Nothing really wowed me. I like the sweater, but I feel like I can just find something similar for less price. So yeah, I think I'll be returning all of the clothing items, and then I'm definitely considering keeping the boots because, especially if they fit, like they're really cute. I have nothing like them in my wardrobe. I love cute fall booties. They go with everything. I love the beige color. The material's really nice. It's like a leather. So yeah, very happy with the shoes. I would love to see like some more jewelry next time. So if I do this box again, accessories next time. So, and until I see you guys in my next video, bye.